What's up, everybody? Phil from the attic here. Got another review for you guys, a quick review on these right here. Jumpman in there, Jordan. And as you guys can probably tell, this is the Jordan 3 A Ma Maniére collab. And it comes in this packaging with this plastic container on top, similar to the Jordan 11 box. The box is all white, the bottom of it is gray, similar to the colors of the sneaker. That's the label right there. As you can see, these are actually women's shoes, so if you are looking for your size in men's, you gotta buy a size and a half up. So this is a size 10 men's, which is an 11 and a half women's. Getting right into it, you have that A Ma Maniére logo on the paper. It's very like plasticky paper, not like normal regular ones, but go right into it. There's the shoe, and there's the other shoe. So yeah, right off the bat, you can tell there's a lot of little details and quality in these. First thing I noticed right off the bat is the contrast edging on the leathers. The leather right there, it's like a tannish peach color on the, if you can see on the edges of the white leather, it's a contrast. And then down here on your midsole, you got this eggshell cream color down there, and then this purple, this faded purple gray color over the airbags. And yeah, the majority of the shoe is this white leather, and then you got this gray suede on the toe and the heel, and right near the eyelets, the middle eyelets. And the back heel tab, you got Nike Air, which is cool, with the gray swoosh. And it's like a translucent eggshell color. And on the back of the heel tab, you have some writing all there. And it says, "All we have is each other," on the inside. You guys can see that. All right. On the other shoe, it says, "You have to get comfortable walking alone," right down there. But yeah, and the inside, the nice detail on the inside, it's this silk style pattern with the checkered, it's like a checkered silk pattern on the inside. Very luxurious style materials on this pair. But yeah, it's reminiscent, similar to the off-white Jordan 4s, which is also a women's shoe that got a ton of hype that everyone tried to get. And the A Ma Maniére shop did a release similar to that, where the women got first come first serve. Those women would get the pair, had a easier, better chance of getting them. You see in the tongue there too, you got the A, their logo. That's a cool detail. You don't really see Jordan letting people mess with their logos on the collabs, but on the other one, they got the Jumpman. And that's a, yeah, great quality shoe. The laces are it seems slightly waxed. So, and then on the tabs of them, on the little tabs, you can see one of them says work, and then the other one says harder. They do come with these extra cream laces, tannish brown cream. But yeah, it's a great shoe. I mean, the retail on these the retail was $200, but you'll be lucky if you can get your pair for that price, because these are reselling like crazy right now. And yeah, the bottom right there, this purple color right here goes really well with the shoe. It's like It goes really well to gray and white, so it's almost like a women's color, but because it's so muted and faded that it can go with the shoe so well. And yeah, I've always thought A Ma Maniere's collabs were like super attention to the eye, like a lot of detail and quality. Like these Air Forces right here, they did a while back. The quality in these were great. They were numbered, so it was a limited amount of pairs, and the low tops are even harder to get. But like, even if you look at these real quick, you can see the suede is super premium. You got like the pony hair and the swoosh, and then the leather right there, tumble leather with these edges right here, 3M, and the iridescent lace tips and lace lock. Even the inside's leather. So I would say if you have the Air Forces, like, you already know the quality that A Ma Maniére puts into their shoes. So yeah, these are going for a lot right now. But if you want a collab similar to A Ma Maniére and you want the quality, like, these Air Forces are a good price. They're reselling for a little bit, not too much. The high tops you can get for a good price, but if you want the low tops, those are a little pricier than the high tops. And yeah, they have that similar logo there. But yeah, the threes right here, some people are already calling the shoe of the year. So they definitely will go up. So if you don't want to pay too much in these, you get them now, and I know they're pricey already, but you're not gonna be able to get them cheaper than they are now. And yeah, leather is nothing crazy, like not super soft or tumbled, but the white leather on it is similar to most of the GR3s that have come out, the retros. So yeah, I wouldn't say the leather is anything crazy, but the rest of the shoe, you can see there's a lot of details. And yeah, that two-tone edging is really nice, and I would like to see that on more of Nike's or Jordan's collabs and releases. But yeah, overall, great shoe. Let me know what you guys think. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.